Shalom, 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 shalom. The rock of our salvation. Yes. As you know, we think about those things that are broken and how they need to be repaired. How there needs to be some type of construction. And how our good Father knows how to repair. He knows how to revive. He knows how to restore. And we need restoration when it comes to respect. We need restoration when it comes to reverencing Him as the Father of all fathers, the King of kings, the King of glory. And we know that there has to be at some point a rebuilding. And we have all of these R words. We have reconciliation. We have restoration. We have reconciliation. We have repairing. It's so many words that begin with R. And as we seek His face and soak in His presence, we ask, we seek, we knock, Matthew 7:7, and we know that all good things come from Him, every good and perfect gift. And He gave us everything that we need for this life, everything to do all things, because we are created in His image. And we have within us the ability to be His hands and feet in the land, to be His voice, to be His eyes and ears. We're to guard our eyes, to guard our eye gates, our ear gates, and guard our hearts, and not allow just anything or everyone to speak into us or to look at everything. But we are to have discernment in all things, knowing that we are to keep holy our temples. So as we're connecting the dots when it comes to the restoration of respect and all these other things, the repairing of what has been damaged, we know that He is the restorer and He can repair all things. All of the verses are included and attached to this video. So let us come together and repair, reconstruct, reconcile, renew, revive. Shalom.